The first thing we need to do when we get a source document is analyze what's going on. If we use our all crew memory aid, we know 1 are assets, 2 are liabilities, 3 is capital, 4 is revenue, 5 is expenses, and I made a mistake, withdrawals is also a 3. We're going to note the normal balance for each type of account. We know an asset's a debit, liability is capital, or liability is a credit, capital is a credit, revenue is also a credit, expense and withdrawals are both debits. Now, what's happened? Because there's terms and there's no payment information, we know that a payment wasn't made. So we can't put this into cash like we did last time. We're going to need to use accounts receivable. And we know our accounts receivable is increasing, so it will be debited. Next, we're going to look at the taxes. We know this is charged on sale, so we're increasing our liabilities. So that means we're going to have to credit. Our QST is the same thing, QST charged. We know this is a liability from looking at our chart of accounts. Since both of our liabilities are increasing, we know they have to be a credit. So these would both be 2 accounts, and accounts receivable would be a 1. So we need one more thing to balance this transaction. It's going to be our revenue, which is a 4, and a credit account. So now if we create the T account, we'll start with accounts receivable. It's an asset and it was debited, so it's going to go on the left hand side. We're debiting the entire amount because this is what the customer owes us. Part of what they owe us is a liability that we owe the government, GST charged. So that's why our liability is increasing, and we're going to credit the $84.97. The same thing for QST charged. So we're now holding this money that we owe to the government. So again, we're increasing our liability, so we're going to credit $169.52. Now we need to track how we made the money. So this is going to be our revenue account. So of the $1953.89, $1699.40 is ours, right? And right now we're just using a revenue account. Normally we'd specify what this was, but this is just a demo.